Hey guys, Brad with Family Handyman. Today we're putting in the septic system and we're here just in time to watch them drop the tank in the hole. So we put in a typical septic system out here at the Getaway. It's an in-ground concrete tank with 3 manhole covers. One to access the pump, one to access the filter, and one to pump out the tank. A soil test determines what type of system you need. For example, you could have a holding tank that just gets pumped out regularly, or a system like ours where the waste is treated before it's discharged into the soil. To determine what type of system you need, you'll get a perk test or a soil test. A soil test is becoming more and more popular because it gives a clearer picture of the absorption rate of your soil. State regulations determine how often your system needs to be pumped out, and it's important to keep up with that schedule to help your system last a long time. Here are a few other things you should remember. Keeping grass and other vegetation on your drain field helps prevent erosion. Make sure your manhole covers are easily accessible. Fix leaky faucets and toilets. Don't drive or park on the system or the drain field. Don't use septic additives or caustic drain cleaners. Don't plant trees or shrubs near the system because the roots can work their way into the pipes. And if something should go wrong, make sure you have an alarm system so that you can quickly get a hold of your installer. So the septic system is in and buried, got it all graded nice. I hope this information helps you out if you're ever putting in a septic system of your own. For more home building tips, visit us at familyhandyman.com.